In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block P.O. Box orders on Shopify. This guide is essential for those of you running an online store and wanting to streamline your delivery processes while avoiding complications that might arise when shipping to P.O. boxes. So let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, head over to the Apps section. This area is a hub for all the unique functionalities you can add to your store, making it easier to manage various aspects of your business efficiently. Type in Cart Block in the search bar. Cart Block is a powerful tool that allows you to set up various shipping rules, including the prevention of orders being shipped to P.O. boxes. If you haven't already installed Cart Block, you'll need to hit the install button. It's a straightforward process, much like installing an app on your smartphone. Once the installation is complete, you'll have access to a whole suite of options aimed at improving your order management system. Now, with Cart Block installed and ready to go, it's time to create a new rule. You'll find an option labeled Create a Rule. Clicking on this will take you to a menu where you can customize various constraints that will apply to your customers' orders. For our purposes today, we'll focus on creating a validation rule. Once you click Create Validation, you are presented with multiple choices. Here, look for the Prevent P.O. Box option. Selecting this will enable you to set up a rule that flags any order attempts made to P.O. Box addresses. This feature is particularly useful if your shipping carriers do not deliver to P.O. boxes, or if you prefer to ensure that your products reach commercial and residential addresses where shipping is more reliable. Next, set up the necessary information and rules that pertain specifically to your business's needs. This might include particular shipping carrier constraints or geographical limitations that are relevant to your logistical setup. Take a moment to consider any rules that might benefit your overall workflow and customer satisfaction. Once you've carefully set up these rules, give everything a final review. It's vital to ensure the accuracy of the information you've entered to avoid any disruption in the order process. After ensuring everything is correct, hit Save. This will apply the settings and ensure that from this point forward, any order attempts using a P.O. box address will be caught and appropriately flagged. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Shopify store to block orders from being shipped to P.O. boxes, streamlining your shipping process and avoiding common headaches associated with those orders. As always, thank you for tuning in. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Happy selling!